Hey, it's Samantha.
Kadesha.
Sandy.
And we're back with another insightful episode on the Deeper Than Tech podcast, where we talk about how to progress in your career in an industry that was not designed with us in mind. Make sure you share this podcast with a friend or a coworker. And don't forget to grab a snack because you're going to need something to eat to go along with all this tea.
Awesome. So, how do I go from a junior engineer to a mid-level engineer?
Well, mine is just going to be quick. I'm going to say I had a similar question. I had the similar question in my group. And essentially, the response I received was, you have to do the work of a mid-level engineer. Maybe your company has certain criteria for what an ideal junior developer is, an ideal mid-level developer is, or senior, or I think you can look at levels FYI and see the ranks that they have there or see the description they have there. But basically, if you want to learn how to get promoted in your career, you have to identify what is the work required and how, and are you are you at that level yet? Are you meeting those upper level requirements? I think when you're at that place, then identifying how to get to a mid-level engineer would be easier for you.
So one thing that you were speaking about, if you do not have any level documentation, Meetup there's open source. So if you just Google Meetup engineering roles, you should see what they have for the level. But I agree with what you said. You have to be doing the job way before you actually get the job. So yes, I agree with that. We also had an episode of how to stand out as a junior engineer, which also gives you great tips of how to keep a hype doc, how to make sure that you find something that somebody else doesn't want to do. You fill in their shoes and you actually do that to make you stand out. Yeah.
Awesome. All great tips. I agree with that.
Yeah. Okay.